have my time for a bit, and so I just need to know what would you like to see, and what would you like to experience while you're here at Odaiba.
Cool. Well, does anybody want to give a rundown of what our module is?
We're learning about marketing and the psychology behind it, and what goes into it. Our final product is we'll be making a package, marketing to whatever demographic we decide upon, and using the techniques and skills that we've learned throughout the semester up until this point. So
that sounds pretty good. All right, if we take a big look here at Odaiba, DiverCity is actually a somewhat new mall. I think it's been around only about 5 or 10 years or so, which is actually pretty short for the life of a mall compared to, you can't really see it, but Venus Fort over there, it's now not as popular because DiverCity has all the cool things inside of it. It has the Gundam statue. It has a skate park up top. Okay. And turn around and just take a look at DiverCity right now. Okay. And so you see the different brands that you have there. So Coach, foreign brand. Kate Spade, foreign brand. H&M, foreign brand. Adidas, foreign brand. The other ones, do you know?
Uniqlo. I know Uniqlo, yeah. Uniqlo.
Okay, Uniqlo. Now,
That's
Uniqlo is a foreign brand?
No, I want that.
It's from here. Do any of you own any Uniqlo?
I'm wearing it.
All right, we get 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many of you really love it? How many of you love it because it's functional? It works, whatever that means. Okay. How many of you love it because it's Japanese? Okay. No. And so part of, and how many of you love it? Well, that's kind of functional, right? That's part of the price performance. That's another marketing thing that you'll sometimes think about. But the best type of customer that Uniqlo can have is somebody who likes it for what it is, the Japanese factor, plus something else. Shall we first go inside? See the food court? Okay.
Not legal. Get in there. Get up front. Go! I'll buy some octopus. Some octopus steak. Go get it. Get it. Egg. I'm right here.
I'm not a fan of the other octopus.
Just got banned from eating.
Wow. Wow. No. Matcha! I want that one. See? Like, I want it. It's not only me.
What I was saying is that maybe one chaperone takes 3 or 4 people a piece. Okay, and then you try and find 2 or maybe 3 different stores to go into. Find a fashion store, find a pharmacy even, okay, because it's interesting how they have things here. And then after that, we can meet again on the 2nd floor right up there.
For stores, the sale part is always at the end, so we start by -30 and it keeps going up.
They don't show you the cheapest things first, because they want to lure you in first to buy the bit more expensive one first.
So you can like see the whole store basically.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Oh, look at this! It's so cheap. It's only $1.90.
Doing a marketing activity in a shopping mall, there's a risk for shopaholics to get lost.
That's the amendment,
So we had an interesting conversation. We were talking about like how I've been shopping a lot here, and like I found out that most of the sizes here, it's like all just one size. And it's like, it doesn't appeal to people that are, not in the mass. We learned about it in marketing, but it was like, there's people of different sizes, and there's like foreigners that come here too, and like if you're not a size like 8 and below, then you're probably not going to find something here. You know what I mean?
what do you think it does about like customers that are coming here? Do you think the customers realize that before they come?
We thought it was kind of backwards how like the marketers were the ones that were influencing people instead of the people saying like this is what we want because we're different shapes and sizes. But you know, if like marketers only retail for people that are size 8 and below, then you're not going to want to be outside of that, you know?
Notice that they let the kids play with the Legos?
Yeah, see,
They do that. Because once you play with it, it's yours.
Yeah.
That's like why a salesman, when a salesman reaches out his hand and shakes your hand, right? So he comes at you with a smile and shakes your hand. Now that's it. Like you're locked in. Subconsciously, you're guilty if you don't buy something from him.
Yeah. See, we're learning the game.
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Hey, is everybody here? All right. I hope you were able to take lots of good notes. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go out and kind of explore the area around here. Right now, we're at DiverCity. We're going to walk around.